27 Top Health Benefits Thyme Tea. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Thyme tea contains vitamin C, vitamin A, copper, fiber, iron, manganese. 27 Top Health Benefits Thyme Tea. Antioxidants. Helps in burning body fat. Relieves oxidative stress in the body. Treats vertigo. Treats multiple sclerosis. Treats tinnitus. Lowers blood pressure. Treats hepatitis. Lowers cholesterol. Treats shingles. Natural cough remedy. Boost immune system. Treats sore throat. Treats colds and flus. Helps treat acute bronchitis. Boosts your mood. Increases feeling of well-being. Treats stomach ache. Treats diarrhea. Treats arthritis. Treats menstrual cramps. Improves digestion. Promotes cognitive strength. Aids sleep. Aids weight loss. Appetite suppressant. Boost energy levels. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.